I might have been too optimistic. Come on. Please, just give me a little more.
В камине в 6 утра фотография твоя.
No. Not here. I don't care if I go back to being paralyzed, but I can't let them down.
Oh, Ava.
У
Look better.
камина в 6 утра разбитая